All right, y'all. We're on the very top floor, the 22nd floor of the Omni Hotel in the Seaport district of Boston, Massachusetts. The Patreon Tower, to be specific. Patron. Look who I'm with.
Yo.
Boston Elevators and Aviation is with me.
And now we vanish and we teleport all the way to the 22nd floor from the 8th floor to look at Cam, the most illegal person on this earth's room.
Anyways, I am actually staying here tonight. And so is Nick, but he's not as lucky. He's on a lower floor. But I'm going to show you all my room here.
This is a harbor view room on the 22nd floor, which is the top floor of this hotel.
Nick has a city view.
I prefer city views, honestly.
All right, with that said, tonight we're in room 22,022.
Cam.
Very lucky number.
Cam probably needs to spend $22,000 on a new car.
You're done.
Let's go. It opens. It doesn't click.
I can't get the key, skill issue.
When you walk in, this is something I forgot to show in my room.
I'm gonna start off, yeah. That door will not shut all the way, but in the security department, got this stupid thing. And then there's the deadbolt. Evacuation map. 2 towers.
Oops.
Now I'm gonna get behind you, Nick, because we're gonna check out one of 2 closets, which comes with 2 robes.
Hangers.
A very good stock of hangers, I will say.
Sofa bed. There's sofa bed stuff at the top.
We have a built-in safe. That's a sofa bed?
Those are sofa mattresses. I don't think they're sofa beds, but they're sofa bed mattresses. Or sheets, excuse me.
Let's come over here then. Makeup lamp. It has a light, looks like, yep. USB outlets and USB-C outlet.
I don't think this is a drawer.
That does not open. Another closet, which comes with Keurig, creamer, coffee cups, all the classic coffee making stuff.
And then you got this little drawer. There's nothing in here.
Mini fridge, decently sized.
It's clean. Magic Chef, that's a cursed brand. Most of the appliances in my house are Magic
Let's
Chef.
go check out the bathroom. Red flag though, barn doors. And a bigger problem, it is not mounted properly. You have to lift it up.
It's either not mounted properly or it's broken.
Yeah, so that's gonna deduct my rating probably. But looking at this bathroom, it is very nice and spacious. So we have tissues. We have what looks like body lotion.
Cam's favorite thing.
Bar soap, washcloths and hand towels in the sink. Water pressure's good. I do like these style of nozzles. Not something you see every day. More towels, hair dryer.
They put the bath towel here.
Yeah, bath towel.
I think my room had a
that's
bathtub.
common.
Cam, you want to get all wet?
No. I like the style of this shower though. It's huge. It has complimentary shampoo and body wash. That's always a plus.
Even though I brought my own, which I probably will do that.
I did too.
You got your toilet over here.
Yep, then there's the commode and extra toilet paper. All around, pretty nice bathroom.
We're already 4 minutes in, wow.
Now we have the rest of the room. We've got a 2 queen.
Harbor view.
Mm-hmm. Just by seeing this room for the first time, I'm so far impressed.
And then 2 bottles of water, which they probably charge you $6 a piece to drink them.
There's nothing saying that.
No, I'm being sarcastic because most hotels do.
Yeah, that's true. Ice bucket, 2 water glasses, recycling and trash, suitcase, rack, TV remote,
If you don't mind, I'm gonna.
LG flat screen TV.
If you don't mind, I'm gonna power it on, barring any personal information.
Yeah. Nice looking chair. Plenty of outlets.
Oh, great. There's the TV right there for you.
Mm-hmm.
I'm gonna have to blur all the stuff on the right. That's gonna be fun during editing.
Thermostat, cool, or heating to 68 right now. It's pretty chilly, so we might turn that up.
I just did. It was actually blowing air conditioning, believe it or not.
Yeah, we're gonna have to turn that to the heat. I'll come check out the nightstand. The phone, alarm clock, notepad, lamp. Looks like you can adjust brightness.
Look at what I think is the origami painting on the wall.
Yeah, that's what I'm guessing it is.
And Cam, of course, has a Radiant Things hat.
Holy Bible in here. Nice drawer space.
Probably be reading that later tonight, maybe. There's the parking deck.
Curtain situation. I don't know if these are blackout. I think they are.
Let's find out. I think they are because the ones behind it are not. Oh yeah, those are blackout.
Yeah, those are blackout. That is very dark in here, so that's a plus. Let's look outside. Yes, it's a harbor view room.
You can actually... Logan Airport is literally just over there.
Is it now? I think I see the control tower out there. Or it's not a very good view. Actually, I think it's over in that direction.
Yeah, but it's out...
It's somewhere out
it's
there,
somewhere
yeah.
out that way. It's massive, so it's not hard to miss once you see it.
Mm-hmm. All right, I'm taking my shoes off. We're gonna test the comfiness of the beds. It's comfy, it's firm. Pillow's nice and soft.
There's Cam being Cam.
That's gonna look interesting. Now, how did they do on cleanliness? I don't see any hair so far. I've noticed that people finding hair on the pillows is becoming more of a common thing, but
You know,
I don't see anything.
I've noticed most hotels don't wash their stuff between guests.
Yeah, that can sometimes happen. Otherwise, I don't think there's much more to cover. But all around, what do you think?
Nice.
You wish you were up on this floor?
I mean, I probably shouldn't have just thrown the cheapest rate together, which is what I did, because I booked it, like, last minute.
I mean, other than that, I'm pretty impressed with the room so far. It's nice and modern. It's relatively new, about a 4-year-old hotel.
It was built in 2021. I don't know if it opened until 2022, but it's around that time frame.
Yeah, but otherwise, I'm liking the beds. The beds are comfy and big. It's nice and modern. But then the red flag is the door, because it's not mounted properly, and in general, barn doors suck in hotels.
I actually call that more of a pocket door, not really a barn door.
Well, actually, that does make more sense because it doesn't have outdoor or outside rollies. But I think I've covered just about everything in this room. It's all around very nice. And with that said, I think that's going to conclude this video. Thank you all for watching. Remember to like, comment, subscribe. If you find yourself in Boston, more specifically the Seaport district, this is a pretty good choice. Granted, you can get a good rate. But with that said, remember to like, comment, subscribe. It's free. You can always change your mind later. And Nick, you want to sign off?
Visit Boston, visit our Seaport district.
Yep. With that said, see y'all later. Okay, so a quick update here. We ended up having to move rooms because of that the bathroom door situation. We are now in 22,030. So I'm gonna show you all the new situation here. We essentially have the same layout of room, but we have a fixed door now. It's properly moving. And only thing different about this room is there is a bathtub instead of just a walk-in shower. So that's really the only thing that's different about this room. But yeah, we tried to bring maintenance in to fix the door on our other room, but they were unsuccessful, so they just moved rooms. So we're in this one now, and so this issue's been fixed, and they were kind and swiftly moved us, so that's a huge plus. I don't think that's gonna deduct much from my rating, but otherwise, that's gonna conclude this little clip. So thank you all for watching. Remember to like, comment, subscribe. I'll see y'all later. Bye.